Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends, your front row seat to the coolest foldables and smartphone breakthroughs. Before we dive in, tap subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always ahead in the tech world. Today we're talking about the Vivo X Fold 5 Green Edition, officially teased with a gorgeous green finish and debuting June 25th. It's poised to redefine the foldable game in 2025. Vivo confirmed the launch date for China, June 25th at 7 p.m. local time. Expect an India rollout shortly after, possibly July. We're looking at 3 color options: titanium, white, and this eye-catching forest green. But today, it's all about that green edition. The teaser shows an ultra-slim design, about 4.3mm unfolded and 8.7mm folded, weighing just 209 grams. Both screens use high-end 8TL-TPO AMOLED panels with 120Hz adaptive refresh rates, 4500 nit peak brightness, TÜV Rheinland eye protection, and Zeiss Master Color certification. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with up to 16GB RAM, Android 15 and OriginOS 5. A huge 6000 mAh battery fuels this beast, with 90W wired and 30W wireless charging to keep you going all day. The triple 50MP Zeiss-backed cameras, wide, telephoto, and ultra-wide, are ready for your next masterpiece. It's also rugged, IP5X dust and IPX9+ water resistant, built to survive underwater 1-meter folds and freezing down to -20 degrees Celsius. This foldable isn't just sophisticated, it's soldier-level tough. So the Vivo X Fold 5 Green Edition brings sleek looks, powerhouse specs, cross-ecosystem magic, and foldable innovation, all set to launch June 25th. Are you ready to go folding green? Let us know in the comments, I read every one. If this video got you hyped, hit that like, share with your tech tribe, and subscribe for exclusive launch day coverage and hands-on reviews.